Veteran construction workers have seen it all, but some new techniques still leave them wide-eyed in amazement. From robots that can lay 500 concrete blocks per hour to straw-based materials that can withstand incredible forces, there's no doubt that the construction world is evolving faster than ever. To keep up with the latest innovations, join WowTech in today's video for an exciting update. With the TRIQBRIQ wood building system, construction waste and CO2 emissions are no longer a problem. The best part? This system repurposes excess wood from the forestry industry, cutting down on waste while helping to protect forests. Plus, assembly is a breeze. Just stack the bricks and lock them in place with beechwood dowels to create strong, load-bearing walls in no time. "500 concrete blocks per hour? That's exactly the lightning-fast speed of Hadrian X. With its 32-meter boom, this machine can build walls up to 3 stories high from the curb, placing new concrete blocks just 50 millimeters from old structures. And that's not all. The advanced shuttle block delivery system delivers materials continuously and precisely, helping Hadrian X build strong, high-quality walls with incredible efficiency. One of WASP's game-changing 3D printers is the Crane Wasp, a robotic arm capable of printing entire houses using natural materials. By utilizing clay on site, this method eliminates construction waste, making it an eco-friendly solution. A perfect example is the Tekla project, where 2 Crane Wasp printers work simultaneously to create an impressive dome structure. Each layer of clay is printed on top of the other, forming a stable design without the need for columns or steel frames. This groundbreaking process was completed in just 200 hours, marking a major leap forward in 3D printing construction technology. You're witnessing the construction of an 850 square meter single-story straw-bale building in St. Afrique, Southern Aveyron, built to RFCP standards. After just 3 months, the project was completed, creating a sustainable, energy-efficient, and eco-friendly space. Say goodbye to stubborn wallpaper and thin plaster layers. Now this job just got easier with the perfect duo, ROKAMAT Chameleon and shaving plates. With a flexible speed range of 150 to 570 RPM, the wall sander handles any surface optimally, while the ultra-sharp blade glides smoothly, stripping away coatings while keeping the underlying wall perfectly intact. This is Zomes, a revolutionary and sustainable housing solution for people. With its unique dome design and 265 square feet of space, is built from eco-friendly bioceramic materials, Zomes reduce carbon emissions while ensuring long-term durability. Best of all, assembly takes just 3 weeks. No heavy machinery or special equipment is needed. And with outstanding fire resistance, Zomes is shaping the future of sustainable living. Let TyBOT handle the repetitive and tough job like tying rebar, so your team can focus on what really matters. The DINCEL 275 profile polymer permanent formwork system speeds up construction twice as fast as traditional methods. Designed to meet Australian safety standards, it allows the use of synthetic fiber reinforced concrete instead of multiple steel reinforcement bars, delivering high durability. Plus, DINCEL 275 minimizes corrosion risks, offers excellent waterproofing and insulation, and boasts an impressive lifespan of up to 120 years. Conquer every construction challenge with DoKart Plus, handling an impressive load of up to 1,950 kilograms. Designed for a one-person operation, this powerful tool lets you maneuver heavy Doka slab formwork with ease. No extra effort needed. DoKart Plus moves 90 degrees sideways and rotates around its center line, reducing travel distance and optimizing workflow. With these outstanding features, it's the ultimate game changer for boosting efficiency on any project. He looks so leisurely while handling material transport. Just sitting in place as the excavator pours everything onto the conveyor without interruption. Baron will take care of it all. No extra support equipment is needed. Heliosol is ushering in a new era of solar energy. With its groundbreaking organic photovoltaics technology, Heliosol transforms any building into a modern green power plant. Thanks to its integrated backside adhesive and connection cables, installation is as easy as sticking a sticker. Whether on a roof or facade, Heliosol seamlessly blends into any architectural space, paving the way for a brighter, greener future. New Elevetor is a revolutionary assembly mold system made from eco-friendly recycled polypropylene. Its modular design creates a ventilated space beneath foundations, preventing mold and extending the structure's lifespan. For projects with high load capacity demands, the Elevetor Max takes innovation to the next level. From residential homes to industrial plants and commercial buildings, the Elevetor range delivers top-tier performance for every construction needed. Flexim is the ultimate solution for stopping roof leaks. Made from natural ingredients with vegetable linseed oil as the key component, this lightweight, ready-to-use strip design, no specialized tools are needed. Just shape it by hand for a quick, effective, and long-lasting waterproof seal. What makes the VARIOKIT VGB cantilevered parapet track so special that Germany chose it to replace nearly 900 meters of railing on the Neckar Valley Bridge? The secret is in its underside anchor system, which keeps the topside clear, maintaining uninterrupted traffic during construction. Plus, its automatic roller mechanism safely distributes concrete loads without additional anchors, ensuring precision, efficiency, and top-tier safety throughout the process. Say goodbye to the dust, noise, and hassle of traditional construction. With the Pave and Go system, You can pave floors in seconds, and no adhesive or cement mortar are needed. This innovative system makes your project cleaner, neater, and more efficient. Plus, the individual floor elements can be easily replaced, whether due to damage or retroactive floor layout changes. Upgrade concrete pipe manufacturing with the BIDI machine. Its bidirectional roller head prevents reinforcement cage twisting, ensuring precise joints and uniform tube lengths. No matter the project's size, BIDI is the perfect solution for boosting productivity and cutting construction costs.
In the US, Canada, and Northern European countries, building houses with wood is a tradition, but it often brings fire risks during hot, dry weather. FIRECOAT is a breakthrough paint that helps protect the property of users. Use fire-resistant paint now to protect your home from fire, especially if you have a wooden house in the forest. Roofing might not sound exciting, but it was actually the second most dangerous job in the US in 2022. That's why Rufus is the perfect candidate for transferring these skills from craftsmen to machines. Right now, this robot specializes in installation tasks, but it has the potential to handle other jobs in the future. like roofing removal and solar panel installation. The curved cement board offers installation flexibility, with the ability to return to shape after bending, opening up builders a range of versatile options. Sheep wool is considered the greenest insulation material due to its unique features and benefits for sustainable building practices. Thanks to the protein structure of wool fibers, sheep wool is naturally fire resistant, offering peace of mind to users. Transporting materials in tall buildings is becoming safer with the help of this special scaffolding. LiftBot is a remote-controlled robotic hoist system equipped and an integrated data analytics platform, providing detailed information for managers. Smart dynamic casting is a continuous robotic slip forming process that enables the prefabrication of material-optimized load-bearing concrete structures using a formwork significantly smaller than the structure produced. In this automated process, a dynamic formwork is continuously moved at a velocity that allows concrete to be shaped during its delicate phase, as it changes from a soft to a hard material. Ever seen shingles heal with heat? Now you can. Say goodbye to worrying about shingle damage during installation or repairs. Watch F-Wave shingles pass the test and give homeowners a fighting chance against fires. Let's check out this super elastic acrylic adhesive technology that allows for up to 370% elongation in multiple directions and enables the detailing of windows up to 40% faster by eliminating the need to cut and splice multiple pieces of tape. Instead of using non-reusable custom-made wooden formwork, researchers utilized a net of tension steel cable that stretched into a reusable scaffolding structure. Another advantage of the flexible formwork solution is that while the roof is being concreted, the area underneath remains unobstructed, allowing interior building work to proceed simultaneously. Translucent concrete is the combination of traditional concrete and optical elements. To create this innovative material, optical fibers must be arranged directly with the concrete surface. Because of its groundbreaking structure, this magical concrete is widely used in urban landscapes, especially in making pedestrian walkways no longer boring.
In Germany, a trenchless repair method has emerged to fix outdated underground drainage systems. As you can see, Brandenburg Liner effectively fixes the drainage infrastructure without disrupting citizens' lives. Our previous dorm house could meet emergency needs, but this new modular log home is spacious enough for the whole family. Faced with a severe housing shortage, modular wooden houses promise to usher in a new era of flexible, and comfortable living spaces. When living in apartment buildings, elevator limitations can seriously hinder moving large furniture. South Korea's implementation of the ladder truck has become an innovative solution that helps people move their houses more easily. And finally, an indispensable companion is the 5-ton truck, which is waiting to be loaded. This convenience is further demonstrated when moving bulky items like beds and cabinets. So, the ladder truck saves effort when moving in and out of apartments, something that's difficult to do with a narrow elevator.
What do you think of these groundbreaking construction technologies? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to support us in creating more awesome videos, make sure to subscribe to WowTech so you never miss the latest updates. That's it for today. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.